spammy things we do. But we don't have to do that stuff if you want to build the business till long term. You need to be a nice guest, right? You need to be a nice guest. Basically, you have to introduce yourself with a photo so that people get the attention towards you and they will connect with you. So starting, don't be spammy or do anything. Keep on more adding the value, right? Keep on more adding the value. And second point is make connection, right? Keep on making the connection because it will help you to do. So how you will build the connection basically, right? You will build the connection basically providing the value post. People will interact that, and basically either you can add them into your list or either they will add you into the list. So this way basically you need to make a connection. Third one is a build relationship. Building relationship is something important, right? So there are many ways to build relationships. Suppose someone is asking some questions, you can answer them. Someone is basically posted a value post, you can engage with them. So it is kind of building relationship with the people. Last not least, build trust and authority. The number one thing in the online business to trust and authority. If you're coming in front of your audience, building trust and authority, that is something a good for any business, and you can do it for long term. Okay, what value answer? One second. Okay, so top result oriented activity in the group. Okay, what are the top result oriented activity you can present in the group, right? The number one thing which I mostly do is the value post, right? Now first you need to address what is the current problem in the group. Suppose the group is like ClickBank. You need to address what question mostly people are asking. For me, people are asking like, I can't create ClickBank account, what I do. So you need to think about the situation and what you can either help in them. Okay, second is sometimes influencers don't like value post. Yeah, so when you start online business, within the day, if you join the group, you start putting 3 posts, 4 posts. So sometimes they don't like it. So be genuine, post only once a day, and you can provide only value. Don't try to put your own promotional content or anything, because we have came to the mindset of to provide value. Stick to that point, right? Value is something you're putting some content related to the group and related to what you do. That is called value post. Third one is so you can tag them and share something about them. So suppose if influencers sometimes don't like your value post, you can talk something about their journey, right? You can create a post, right, and tag them, so they will love them and they will keep you in the mind, right? So this is the hack you can use. It can be result of their teachings, right? So whatever things they are teaching, basically you can recommend anyone related to them, or you can post anything according to that. So this way you need to put value post into the activity of the group. Value answer, so this is the important, putting value content and answering value is both different stuffs, and you need to focus in this both. I'm getting leads with doing this 2 steps, putting value content and answering value comment. So first find out questions in your niche, right? You need to find that what are the questions people are going to ask into my niche. Like what is affiliate marketing, how I can start affiliate marketing business, right? This way you can basically search and answer them and share your opinion, right? And basically whatever thing you know, because they are kind of in zero position, you are something like 5 to 10% range. So it's better that whatever you have, make a brief value comment and post them. So what happen, they will get their solution, and you are doing your job, they are getting their work, right? So this is value answer is really important. I will show you some examples. First, what happens when you go to any group, right? Whether it's private group or public group, you need to search topic here. Like suppose I click here on the search button when you go to group, and I find what is affiliate marketing, or I found the term affiliate marketing. So I will get many questions related to affiliate marketing or the post related to affiliate marketing. So according to that, I can search it, and basically whether I should post answer or engage, then we need to decide according to that. So that is related to basically value post, what you can do, or value comment you can find. So this is an example, right? How do you prepare yourself for a sales call? Someone asked in the group. Okay, so what I did, I implemented my framework. Whatever I am doing, first I define your goals. Basically, whatever your goals is about the customer objection, clear that objective. Second, structure the call, know your value, do your research, offer according. If suppose some question is like out of your mind, you can do research for them, right? It's better if you don't know anything, he don't know anything, you can research from anywhere and put it in a comment and a good way, so that people will notice that you have given them information. So that's a good quality if you're providing value. And see, whenever you are putting value, don't be this like good post this way. See, if you're doing for engagement into a profile field, that's good, but in group we are in the mindset of getting quality leads. So for quality leads, you need to put this type of content and the comment. So this is not my content, this is my comment, remember, right? So your comment should be like something, whatever question is related, and you can put according to the framework. I will show you what framework you need to use while doing the comment. So this is the second example, right? So someone asked, if I sign up for OFA, does it start right away or do I have to wait until September 6th? So this is the question because I have been doing OFA, so I know about this. So I answered him basically. And what happened? He have connected with me. Now maybe he will get close with me because he is offline, but I know he is basically connected. That means he will definitely get close with me because I have provided solution with him. He got connected with me, and I have also shared a Zoom call with him. So this is where you need to connect with the people. Main priority should be always focus on value. If you're putting value, people will love you, people will notice you. Points to remember, right? Whenever you are putting a comment, this is related to comment, tag author to get noticed. Author is someone who have asked the question. Suppose I am Abhay, I have asked the question, what is affiliate marketing? Now you need to tag me first, then put your comment, so that he will get instant notification that someone has tagged you or mentioned you. So this is the best way. Second version is should be value comment. So it should be like long value comment, right? You need to focus on that. Third one should be put pointers. Whenever you put related, see how I have structured the word, you need to put some pointers so that it will be easy to get through the people and they will get an idea. Yeah, this is the what I want. Space between the pointers, right? Add flash story. Suppose if you have gone through OFA, someone asked about OFA, you can put the same questions and add a flash story between it, right? Put something what something is related to it. Suppose someone has asked you question related to ClickBank, put something story related to it, then share your journey, how you started now. So this is something fast story. And last one is hook, right? Whatever thing you have in the last, you can put any hook, right? If you know more about it, you can connect with me. So hook is really important.